viewers, and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria, your spiritual guide. In today's video, I want to teach you how to use an onion. How to use an onion to change your life. If you're watching me for the first time, subscribe, share, like. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you can be notified. Use an onion, cut it into four parts. Into 4 parts, okay? As you can see, 4 parts. Each part is signifying the corners of the earth, okay? North, east, west, south, you know? Something will be done to you whether from the north, east, west, or south, okay? So cut it into 4 parts. After cutting it into 4 parts, put it on your forehead. This is where your star is. This is what determines your life. What determines your life is marked here in your face, okay? It is called a star or a destiny. So put it on your destiny. Use your right hand, okay? And start praying. Start declaring your intentions. Any man, any woman, any spirit on the surface of this earth, whether it is from the east, whether it is from the west, whether it is from the north, wherever it is that has sworn to make me useless, that has sworn to make me suffer, to make me go backward, may whatever powers you're standing on be nullified in the mighty name of Allah, in the mighty name of God, in the mighty name of Jesus. Pray according to your faith. Speak according to your faith, okay? Like you pray, okay? Pray. If it is sickness, I render powerless any evil sickness in my life. I render powerless any backwardness. All evil stones that have been thrown in my life, all evil diversions, evil initiations that I've done in my life, all evil altars surrounding my life, I render you powerless. I destroy you by fire. I restore my glory. I restore my finances. I restore my destiny in the mighty name of God. Like you pray. After praying, go and throw these pieces in different directions, okay? Yes, after praying, you can even round over your head these onions, okay? 4 as they are, round over your head as you declare whether the evil arrow comes from the east, whether it comes from the left, from the west, whether it comes from the north. You send it back to the sender. You nullify it. You neutralize it. You render it powerless. Throw them in different directions according to the directions I've mentioned. Throw one in the east, front, back, side, and side. Okay? Yes. Not in your house, not inside your... You go and throw either on the road or in the trash. Yes, in the garbage. Trust me, when you do this, repeat it the next day and the 3rd day. When you do this, by the special grace of the mighty God, those evil arrows will return back to the sender. Those evil arrows will be nullified, neutralized. Those evil arrows will stop to take effect in your life. Thank you for watching me. Have a blessed evening. Goodbye and God bless you. I love you all.